I heard my name. Echoes in the dark, calling through the pain. Crowds disappeared, truth felt thin. I faced my shadow, let the light in. Every smile hid a war inside. Every heart had a place to hide. Time slowed down, nights grew long, but my soul kept singing a quiet song. I lost my way, I lost control, but I never lost my soul. When the world went silent, I stood tall. No applause, no crowd at all. In the quiet I found my flame. I remembered who I am. When the world went silent, I could see the strongest voice lived inside me. No noise, no disguise, just truth in my eyes. Broken clocks on empty walls, promises written but left to fall. Fear knocked loud, hope whispered low. Still I move, step by slow step. Stars don't shine in crowded skies. They wait for darkness to arrive. Pain taught lessons, joy never could. I survived because I understood. If this is the end, I begin again. From the ashes of who I've been. When the world went silent, I stood tall. No applause, no crowd at all. In quiet I found my flame. I remembered who I am. When the world went silent, I could see the strongest voice lived inside me. No noise, no disguise, just truth in my eyes. Silence isn't empty, it's deep. It's where the wounded learn to breathe. Every tear became a sign that I was still alive. When the world went silent, I rose above, found my strength, found my love. No crown, no throne, no fame, just a heart that wouldn't break. When the world went silent, now I know the